To review active transport, we know that it is the movement of molecules or ions against their concentration gradient into or out of the cell. This process needs energy from ATP. During this process, we have carrier proteins spanning the plasma membrane that bind to the molecule or the ion that we wish to transport, against its concentration gradient, of course. As the molecule binds the receptor site on this carrier protein, on the other end of this carrier protein, on the inside of the cell, for example, ATP is going to bind to it. Once it happens, ATP splits into ADP and 1-phosphate molecule. The result of this splitting and the release of energy resulting from it causes the protein to change its shape, and as it does that, it opens from the opposite side. So now the molecule or ion that was bound to this protein can enter the cell. Once it enters the cell, the phosphate molecule is released from the protein, so the protein reverts to its original shape, ready to start the process again. And then this phosphate molecule finds an ADP and binds to it, and forms ATP during the process of cellular respiration in the mitochondrion. This is a process that transports molecules against their concentration gradient across a membrane. These carrier proteins are acting as pumps, and they are very selective. They will not carry just any molecule against its concentration gradient. Specific molecules can bind to them and cause this active transport.